In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Edge browser could not read or write this. So if you are facing this problem on your Microsoft Edge browser, so let me show you step by step how to fix it. First up, after you open the Microsoft Edge browser, click on this three dot. So go to this where it says help and this one, help and feedback. So click on this option about Microsoft Edge. So from there, it will take you to this option. So the next thing to do now, go ahead now and make sure you update your Microsoft Edge browser. So as you can see now, my own is updated. So make sure to turn on this. After you turn on this now, whenever Microsoft Edge browser has any update, it will automatically update the browser for you to get good experience of your browsing. So the next thing to do now, click on this new tab. Go to this three dot again. Go to settings. After you go to settings now, if you are still facing the problem, just click on this option now where it says reset settings. So click on this restore settings to their default value. So if you click on this restore, now it will reset all the settings for your Microsoft Edge browser, and from there the problem will be solved. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next one.